L39 tractor loader backhoe, Kubota, with a Titan attachments, 4,000 pound pallet fork on a quick attach plate. Now the tractor's only capable of like 2,200 pounds lift, you know, so we figured the 4,000 pound pallet fork would be cool. Yeah, I've had it for a few years here, but it would be handy if the folks at Titan, I don't know if I can get a good shot of this, damn sun hitting in the way, would you know, actually have decent welds here. You can see it's pulled right apart. Got a little better angle here. You can see absolutely no weld penetration here. Nothing. Nothing. I don't even know how they laid the bead next to it. And that's right at the main lifting point. And, well, hey, they said, well, you know, that's just due to sitting outside and wear and tear that the weld never penetrated. Huh. Yeah, so all I can say is, if you buy a Titan Attachments product, take it to your local welder and get it put together the correct way. That way you'll be safe.